What's up, everybody? John, Vapor Hunting Technologies. Hey, just wanted to shoot you a quick video since the acquisition of Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company up in Milwaukee. We finally got these awesome pieces of machinery back home safely a couple weeks ago. We've been working through this equipment. These are some of the last examples of some machinery that Vapor Blast had been manufacturing over the years. We've got some dry fine hone machinery on the very end down here. And then of course some of the liquid honing cabinets right here behind me. We're not finished putting them back together. And, but we're working on that, and we're really excited about this opportunity. But also just wanted to give you guys a shout out. It's been way too long in the showroom tonight, getting some work done, doing some testing. But, you know, we'd love to have you guys into the showroom if you are interested in this equipment, this process, whether that's parts washing, dry blast, wet blast, high pressure parts washing. We've got you covered. We've got the industrial stuff. We've got the light industrial. Whatever you guys really need and want, we've got it all set up here behind me in the showroom. And we've always been excited to show this place off in all of our videos that we've been shooting over the past couple months, really. Well, maybe the past year that we've been in this showroom. But we've had a lot of people come in and out, a lot of people doing a lot of demo work in here. We do a lot of testing, a lot of runoffs for customers, a lot of trial processing. And you guys are welcome to bring your parts. That's some stuff I'm doing in the back. We're doing some actual process work for a company right now. But super excited to show off some of this stuff as we move forward, specifically the Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company as well, all those great products. We have over 85 years worth of engineering that we're going to be revitalizing and revamping. You wouldn't believe some of the technology, the patents, just 85 years worth of work. Really awesome to see. Glad we're able to keep moving forward with it. Very excited to have this stuff set up in our showroom. And if you guys are in the area and you're interested in a process, call us up, schedule a visit. We can help. That's what we're here for. That's what the sales team's always here and happy to do. But as always, thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Thanks for following the channel. And if you're not followed, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and follow for all of our content coming in the future. Thanks for watching.